are freelancing while I am a student of Rehan School Canopy campus. I am reading class 7. My class name is the Future Navigators. So today we watch a very amazing. Today I make a very amazing video about August topic embarrassing nature's gift. Trees unite. So if you grow the plants and trees, so nature is good. Nature is giving the gift, and nature is very beautiful. And nature, your home is very nice, beautiful, and smelling is very beautiful. And trees unite. If you giving the watering the plant, so your tree is very strong. So your plant is very strong, and trees unite. So this video, I advise you, please, every video of same advice you, please grow to the plants and watering the plants. So nature is gifted you. Nature is very beautiful, nature is very good, and smelling is very nice, because flower, if you grow the plants, so flowers is coming, and flowers smell is very nice and beautiful. So this is my video. I hope that you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and comment.